What's up, y'all? It's your boy Riff Raff the Great, CEO and producer at Westworld Entertainment, and welcome to another episode of Music Mondays. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to layer your sounds using the combinator and the line mixer. So without further ado, let's get started. What you want to do is right-click in your rec area, go to Utilities, and go to Combinator. And click on Combinator, and it'll bring up your combinator. The first thing you want to do is you want to add a line mixer. And by adding a line mixer, right click in there, go to Utilities, and then go to line mixer. And then if you hit tab, it's automatically going to link that up to your combinator. Now you can begin to add, you can add up to 6 instruments in here that you want layered. It depends on your taste. Right now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to add 3. So I'm going to click in here and I'm going to go to Instruments. And I'm going to go to the Lounge Lizard by Applied Acoustic Systems. They have great plugins. Go ahead and check their website out. And then I'm just going to audition this sound. And as you can see, when you load the VST in here, it automatically links it to the line mixer. The sound that I'm looking for is in the Rode section. I'm looking for the actually Electronica and Warped, and I'm looking for pulsing chords. It's kind of like the old school 90s type style, and then I'm gonna add me a pad in there. So I'm just gonna go with massive, and as you can see, it automatically routes it to channel 2. Click on the VST to open it. If you're new to massive, the way you get to your sound banks, you hit browser, and it's going to take you to all your sound banks. And if you don't have a lot of sound banks and you just have the factory sound banks, that's good too. Now, instead of me going through all of these just trying to find a pad, I'm just going to click in here and type in pads, and it's going to give me all the pads from every sound bank. So I'm just going to scroll down here and see what Dream Cloud sounds like. In order for me to hear it, let me mute the Rode. It's a nice mysterious Dreamizer. I'm just gonna go with that for the sake of this tutorial. Dreamizer is pretty nice. And then I want to add me an ARP in there. And to me, I think Elantra X has good arts. Massive has good arts. Sound Academy's Anna 2 has some good stuff in there. Omnisphere definitely has some good arts. Do I want to go Omnisphere? No, I'm just going to go with Elantra X just for the sake of this tutorial. Go into my custom patches. Actually, I'm going to go to my user patches. That's where I have a lot of stuff at. Let's see what this ARP sounds like. Some kind of light. Change the BPM on there. Instead of 1, I'm gonna go to half. Slow it down a little bit. That's kind of cool. And as you can now I have all 3 of my sounds loaded up in my combinator. Now I can go through and start panning instrumentals left and right. Probably my pad to the right, my Rhodes to the left, and then my ARP. Not hard, but about 1 o'clock, and then depending on my pad, 3 o'clock, depending on my Rhodes, 9 o'clock. Nothing too harsh, and then just hit one key to see where my level's at. As you can hear, the ARP really stands out, so I'm just gonna pull the dial back on the volume a little bit. My pad is kind of strong in there too. I'm dial back on that just a little bit, probably halfway. And that's how you layer your sounds in Reasons 9. If you want to get more in depth on scoping out these sounds, you can add EQs to all of them and go in and then just start cutting out frequencies so they all can sit nicely layered together. But this is just a quick tutorial on how to layer your sounds in Reasons 9 using the combinator with a line mixer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like, and see you guys next Monday on Music Mondays. Peace.